How to fix iOS 27 developer beta not showing on iPhone. First, open settings. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now tap on VPN. Disconnect the VPN if it is connected. Now go back. Open the App Store. Here search for Apple developer. Now install this app. After installing, open it. Here tap on account. Now tap on sign in and sign in with your Apple ID. After this, go back, restart your device. After restarting, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. Here tap on beta updates and you will see the iOS 27 developer beta 10 to 20 minutes later. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.